Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to share to you my 2-in-1 Basque Burnt Cheesecake recipe. Take note, no crust. In making the cheesecake, we will need a handheld or stand mixer, but you can also do this by hand. Just make sure your ingredients are all in room temperature. We also need baking paper, 2 pieces 6-inch round baking pan, or an 8 inches round baking pan. Before we start, line your baking pan with baking paper and make sure you have extra baking paper around 2 inches above the baking pan, so you can easily lift the cheesecake after baking. Here are the ingredients for the Basque Burnt Cheesecake. 454 grams softened cream cheese, 125 grams granulated sugar, 150 grams eggs, 20 grams cornstarch, 2 grams salt, and 120 grams heavy cream or all-purpose cream. These added ingredients are optional, but you can add flavors by adding vanilla extract around 6 grams or lemon extract. For ube flavor, you can add 10 grams of ube flavoring. You can add the extracts with the heavy cream and mix into the batter. How to prepare the cheesecake batter? It's easy. On your stand mixer, on low speed, cream together the softened cream cheese and granulated sugar until smooth. Then slowly add in and beat your eggs on low speed. After incorporating the eggs, you mix in the cornstarch and salt. Give it a quick mix. Now it's time for you to add in the heavy cream or the all-purpose cream. Mix it just until incorporated. Remember, the additional flavor should be mixed with the heavy cream. Now we're almost ready to bake. Pour your batter into your baking pan. To make the 2-in-1, place a divider that is the same length of the size of your baking pan. For example, 6 inches baking pan, 6 inches divider. Once the divider is placed at the center of the pan, pour the batter at the same time. Lift the divider before baking. Now bake your cheesecake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. And then increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius for an additional 10 to 20 minutes, or until you reach your desired burnt color. Now remove your baking pan from the oven and let it cool down completely. For yummier cheesecake, I do recommend to bake it a day before serving. Once it cooled down completely, you may now chill it in the fridge overnight or freeze it for a longer shelf life. Maybe you're wondering why this cheesecake has crust. It's because this is my favorite cheesecake recipe. I just decided to bake it in a higher temperature and to turn it brown. Just like the Basque Burnt Cheesecake, it's burnt outside but still creamy inside cheesecake. I hope you can try this recipe. See you on my next videos.